Y'all, prices are going up, but unfortunately my grocery budget is going down. So this week I thought it would be helpful to share with you 3 4-ingredient recipes that might just help you with your grocery budget. Hey y'all, and welcome back. This first 4-ingredient recipe is going to be fish tacos. We are really excited for this one. We know it's going to taste delicious, plus it's going to come together in no time. I'm going to cook mine in the air fryer, so we should be ready to eat dinner in just about 15 minutes. Now, it is a little bit earlier in the day because I want to put together my coleslaw. Now, I'm using 2 of my 4 ingredients to make this coleslaw. You could technically make it a 3-ingredient recipe if you just bought store-bought coleslaw. But I already had some coleslaw dressing in my refrigerator, so when I went to the store this week, I just bought the bag of coleslaw mix. So we need to go ahead and put that together now, so that way it can have time to sit in the fridge and kind of all marry together. To season this tilapia, I am using a mixture of Lowry's seasoned salt, Creole seasoning, and Old Bay seasoning. My air fryer is preheated to 400 degrees. I'm going to put my fish in. My air fryer is the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. It's more kind of like a conventional oven. You can air fry, you can rotisserie chicken in it, you can even bake in it. So we'll put this in here just like that. And then on my time, we're going to do this for 9 minutes. And here we have our fish tacos. Y'all, these are super yummy, and they're also really pretty. I love it when I can make a really delicious dinner, but it also looks really pretty. Now, I was thinking that if you're not a big fan of fish, you could still leave this as a 4-ingredient recipe and maybe substitute it with shrimp. We've had shrimp tacos and we love those just as much. Y'all, tonight for dinner, I think it's going to be a huge hit in my household. We are making what they call lazy lasagna. Technically, it's just a baked ravioli, but instead of just dumping everything and stirring it up, we're gonna layer it like you do a lasagna. Now, I don't have very much prep work at all. All I have to do is shred up my mozzarella cheese. But to save yourself some extra time, you could just go ahead and buy the shredded mozzarella cheese in the bag. I prefer getting the block cheese, so I don't mind taking a little bit of time to shred that up. So let's go ahead and get started and get this dinner going. To start layering our lasagna, I'm starting out with some of this ragu tomato sauce. We like the super chunky mushroom. Of course, you can always just use your favorite spaghetti sauce or marinara. I want to put just a thin layer here on the bottom. For our raviolis, I'm just using these frozen Great Value beef raviolis. If you were wanting to make this a meatless meal, you could most definitely just use the cheese raviolis. Top the raviolis with a little bit of sauce. Add on some mozzarella cheese. And for our fourth ingredient, we're using ricotta cheese. If you don't like ricotta cheese, you can leave this out and just make it a 3-ingredient meal. So I'm just going to take a spoon here and just kind of take some little dollops out and kind of put it over the raviolis. Now we will just repeat that layering process until either I run out of raviolis or the pan is completely full. To finish this off, I want to top it with the remainder of my mozzarella cheese. We like a lot of cheese on ours. Just do however much you like. And then once I get this completely covered with our cheese, we're going to put this in a 400-degree oven, covered with aluminum foil for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will take it out, take off the aluminum foil, and cook it for an additional 15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so it's been about 30 minutes. I'm going to take this foil off. Ouch, it's hot. Ooh, look at it. It looks so good. All right, so let's go 15 more minutes. Y'all, this is a huge hit in our house. We absolutely love it. It is super simple to make, just 4 ingredients, and I bet your kids will love it. Hey y'all, for this last recipe, I wanted to share with you one of mine and Tyler's favorite side dishes. We absolutely love all kinds of sweet potatoes. So tonight I'm sharing with you how I make my homemade mashed sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot. So let's get started by peeling our sweet potatoes. In the bottom of my Instant Pot, I did add just a smidge of water. After peeling these sweet potatoes, I did dice them up into just a little bit smaller chunks. That way they cook evenly and a little bit quicker than if they were to be in whole form. Adding in 1 stick of butter. About 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, and seasoning with some Lowry's seasoned salt. Add on our lid. Make sure it's on sealing, and we're going to cook these for about 13 minutes. Y'all, this recipe is so good, and it is so easy to make. I hope that y'all will give this one a try. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let me know down in the comments if you try any of these recipes, and I will see you next time. Bye.